Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with the daily Solana analysis for April 24th. We're currently looking at the weekly time frame. As you can see, after the deep drop we saw at the start of February, the price reacted to a weekly BPR level, and with the strong support here, sellers couldn't push the price.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Any lower. Now, in the last 2 months, we've seen the price trading slightly above this BPR zone. We're examining the daily time frame for Bitcoin and Solana. According to our last Bitcoin analysis, we noted that as the fear and greed index rose, we're seeing increased risk appetite for Bitcoin, leading to price growth and a move above the previous peak. With the large capital inflows into ETFs, we can see that when big money enters the crypto market, it first flows into Bitcoin, and if this support and inflow continue, we can later see this growth in altcoins like Solana as well. After the crypto market entered a risk-on state, we can see that Solana's price found good support in this demand zone, which is currently the most important support area for the price. On the other hand, we can see that every time Solana reaches internal liquidity zones like the 4-hour FVG, it faces selling pressure and pulls back down. Therefore, buyers still lack the strength to break the previous high and move toward higher targets. We're looking at the liquidity inflows and outflows for Solana spot ETFs. We can see that there was a positive inflow into these funds yesterday. Also, on this page, you can see that on average, we've seen a positive inflow into these funds over the past 3 weeks. You can also see the fear and greed index, which is now at 58 in the neutral zone. This index, which was in the extreme fear range in February, has now risen and even entered the greed territory. We're now looking at the 4-hour time frame. For the upward move that started at the beginning of April, we can draw this ascending channel. Overall, we can consider that crypto market sentiment is in a good and positive state, but in recent days, it's been heavily influenced by dollar strength and news regarding Middle East tensions. For today, we're seeing a downward move in the crypto market coinciding with the increase in dollar strength. But if we get any positive news regarding Middle East tensions over the weekend, or if the US president announces new crypto policies at his Saturday crypto conference, we could expect more support and an upward move in Solana's price. We're currently analyzing the Solana liquidity map. Here we can see that as the nearest buy-side liquidity will have the price range of $87.11 and the nearest sell-side liquidity is located around the price of $84.23. By examining these areas on the chart, we can see the nearest buy-side liquidity in the 1-hour FVG range and the sell-side liquidity below the previous major low. Given the downward movement that has started, if the price reaches liquidity areas like the daily high with a short-term correction and collects this liquidity, we can enter a sell position and follow this trade until it reaches the support line of the ascending channel. Good luck and stay profitable.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.